Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and to this latest video for the Volkswagen Golf estate. This is the 1.4 TSI BlueMotion GT DSG gearbox. The car was manufactured 17th of June 2015, finished in Tornado Red, benefiting from a comprehensive service history comprising 6 services, last done October 24, a fraction under 103,000 miles. It was a full service, including all filters and a new set of front brake pads. MOT valid through until the 3rd of October 2025 with no advisories. Good set of tyres. The rear Michelins are on 4mm of tread, the front tyres are on 7 and 3mm of tread. Car's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Manufacturers claimed combined MPG of 45 to the gallon from the 150 bhp 1.4 turbo petrol. This Golf features a number of nice options. It has the full leather interior, it has a reversing camera, it has the Panoramic electric sunroof with electric blind, keyless entry and keyless start. That coupled along with electric folding heated wing mirrors, electric windows all round, automatic xenon headlights, sat nav, AM/FM radio with CD and DVD. Voice control function is also available, as well as auxiliary, USB and SD card inputs, along with a hard drive. Has adaptive cruise control with lane assist, auto hold, along with heated front seats, and the driver's seat is electrically operated. This Golf is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away same day as viewing. Be supplied with 2 remote control keys, book packs present, along with a set of tailored carpet mats, tonneau cover with a built-in dog guard also. Space saver spare wheel, all tools and lock and wheel bolt are also present. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you'll find the reservation facility, customer testimonials, part exchange page, as well as our interactive calculator with the ability to apply for a finance loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.